Hello there, my name is ShannonKratz. I will be graduating in December with a Bachelor of Science in Polymer and Fiber Engineering and a certificate in Business Administration. What is polymer and fiber engineering? Polymer and fiber engineers work with materials development and testing. A practical example of this can be seen in my senior design project. On the direction of our sponsor, Solvay Specialty Polymers, and our academic advisor, my teammates and I created a new materials testing apparatus. Our goal was to create an environmental stress cracking resistance testing widget that could be loaded with 20 samples in 1 minute and allow access to the samples for application of chemicals. We were trying to replace the current method, which uses a Bergen jig, as you can see in the photo scheme on the screen. The process to load a Bergen jig is depicted here. Loading a Bergen jig is very time consuming because you can only prepare one sample at a time, and the clamps used to secure the samples take a good deal of time to loosen and tighten. Additionally, each operator loads samples differently, which can lead to unreliable data collection. To improve this process, my teammates and I created a prototype for a widget that can hold 14 samples, reducing the sample preparation time. Also, when the top and the base of the widget are flush, the same force is applied to the samples every time. This eliminates operator error. That is a brief introduction to materials testing. However, additionally, as a quality and research and development intern, I gained experience with color testing, which ensures that materials produced in different batches maintain uniform color, and with tensile testing, which is failure testing that helps to determine the strength of a material. I also have experience with materials development. I conducted preliminary tests for latex-coated nonwovens and participated in a black belt Six Sigma study to determine the cause of a manufacturing defect and develop a solution to prevent this defect. I also conducted statistical studies looking at historic test data to determine product specifications for material qualification and quality inspections. I spent a summer as an assistant to an executive communication consultant. This experience was unique because it was a small business and I worked directly with the founder. Because it was a small business, my schedule changed every day depending on the needs of the clients and the company. I constantly had to plan a task-oriented schedule so I could ensure I met all the demands and expectations of my role. While in school, I have served as a treasurer, though under different titles, for two campus organizations. These experiences have taught me how to manage money effectively and responsibly. There is an added pressure when handling money that is not solely your own. It is important to be a good steward of those who supplied the money in dues and donations, and also to foster growth of both the accounts of the organization and the organization itself. As part of my duties as treasurer for these organizations, I sat on several executive boards to direct the organizations. This required communication skills, both to effectively communicate my responsibilities, but also to listen and help others to achieve the goals of their positions. Again, I am ShannonKratz, and my contact information is available on your screen. Thank you for your time.